What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Close. Let's see. Twitter. Live. SPY. QQQ. Amazon. AMD. Hold on, everybody. Awesome. Tweet. View. And send. Alrighty. Awesome. Let's see. Good morning, Eric Buxton, I think is how you say it. Trader, Don, Yasmin, Gerald, Yuval, the Italian Cat, and Strider. Yeah, so if you caught that Mara yesterday, that was a beautiful trade. I actually caught it earlier in the morning. So the trade that I ended up taking, and of course it ended up ripping even further later in the day. But the Mara trade that I ended up taking was, if we go to the 5-minute, we can see that we had this high, or this low to high right here. If it was any other day of the week, I probably would have ripped it right over this 1027, but because we had that long weekend and the market just opened, I wasn't really interested in trying to get into a trade right off the bat. So it literally broke the level almost immediately as the market opened. So if we go to the 1 minute, within the first minute, and then it just ripped up to the first price target. The trade that I ended up taking was actually as it came down into the retracements and on the 5-minute had decreasing volume on the pullback. That's when I got in and caught it back to the high of the day. But later in the day, this thing just ended up ripping to the upside. So unfortunately, I didn't catch all that, but I was able to catch a nice little piece of that. And then we took a SPY trade yesterday at the very bottom, 435. Very beautiful. 435, gave it to you guys yesterday. You guys watched me find the level, why the level was interesting to me, or why I was interested in that area. And then if you're in Team Bull, we traded that bad boy live. So let's hop right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Ready to crush it today. Not tired this morning either, which is good. I'm awake. Awake. So let's get this running. Boom. All right, let's start with yes. Awesome. So if you guys remember yesterday, I also said that we had that demand at 4409 or 4408. Pretty much hit it. We just felt like, what, 50 cents short or like a point short. But either way, ended up bouncing off that demand. Maybe I'll be interested if it comes back into it today. We'll see. As a potential area, we do have supply above that up here. So that could be a potential reject. This could be a potential bounce. But other than that, I think we done broke the fibs there. Zoom out a little bit. Any other good lows and highs? Let's see. We got this low to high right there. This would be 43.78. What are we at? We're at 44.28. So we would need pretty big pull to get down here, but that could be another potential area. Plus, on top of that, we do have this little support zone right here. So I'd be interested around like 43.83 down to 43.78 for a potential bounce. So we can watch that. Let's do this. There we go. 43.78.25, and then we'll make it green. Again, good morning, everybody. Sorry, I had to sneeze. But boom. That's what I'll watch for support. Again, potentially this area. It's just we already bounced at it yesterday. So we can see, depending on the price action, maybe if we end up bouncing, again, this has to be the low. We could take this high to low right here and then look for some rejects. But that's all I'm seeing on ES as of right now. Buenos dias, mi amigo. That's all I'm seeing on ES. SPY, however, it kind of looks like it wants to form a head and shoulders. So shoulder, head, maybe it pops up, forms shoulder number 2. Maybe this is shoulder number 2. And then we get a neckline somewhere right here. Let's see if we can get a... let's see, how do we want to do this? Something like that. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Break below. We'll definitely have to break that 435 and 434.82, but after that we could really get going. Next area could be 433, but we got to look at the overall macro picture. If this is a head and shoulders forming up here, we could go lower. So just keep that in mind. Take off this 70.7 and then 430. Boom. Cool. So, I think that's what I'm going to watch on SPY. Again, if this is a bottom, if we come down, bounce, and then start pushing up, then we can watch a potential reject taking pivot high, pivot low. Let's take a look at the economic calendar real quick. See what we got going on today. Today is Wednesday. We have Powell speaking at 10, so definitely expect some volatility. Another Fed speaker at 10, or no, that's the Senate. And then a Fed speaker, Chicago Fed president speaker at 12:25. So Powell at 10. Market could be a little slow until Powell. Just something to keep in mind. But yeah, I'm very interested I am very interested in this SPY 4-hour head and shoulders. Honestly, would really like 430 to that 429.6 later in the week for a bounce. I like this area right here. But, I mean, we can watch the fibs. It's just going to be a little lower probability. Actually, we can get rid of this 50 right there. Boom. So, yeah, I think that's it. And also, was that a misprint? Yes, that was a misprint. Still just going to aim for that FOMC low if it breaks down. Cool. Cool. All right, that's it on SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. There might be an SPX gap. I keep the pre-market and post-market hours on when I do SPY and QQQ, so there's no gaps. Let's see, we do have a gap there. That gap is filled. This gap is filled. This gap is filled. Let's go to a 5-minute. So yeah, that one's filled. That one's filled. Filled. Only gap I see is here to here, but we would really have to start dropping. And then we have this gap over 4,400. Could be a little scalper, but you can still see the same head and shoulders on SPX if that were to be head and shoulders forming. Let's go to what did we just look at? SPY and QQ, or SPY and ES is done. Let's go to QQQ. Beautiful. So that's our reject up there. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, if it's a super long wick, typically in the post-market or pre-market, it's a misprint on very low volume. So let's see, we're trading at 365. I do like a potential bounce. There to there. 360, 52, 357.5. So that's the clearest pivot low, pivot high that we have. Smack that 50% fib right there. Question is, did we drop first? No, okay, never mind. Never mind with that one. So, zip back out. I mean, if QQQ were able to get above these highs right here, I'd be interested. Put the squeeze on. It looks like we're squeezing in the overnight session. Yep. Nice little orange dot squeeze. So yeah, bounces down here. Rejects, we're going to have to be a little patient on that one. But this entire area right here, this 367.7 seems to be or 367.5 seems to be a pretty big area. And if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. We got 175 people in here, 63 likes. Remember, if you guys want that watch list, you gotta run it up. 200 likes is the goal. When we hit 200 likes, you guys get the watch list. But yeah, the main thing I'm going to be watching is going to be this 1 hour squeeze on QQQ. Looks like it wants to fire down. Of course, we have Powell, so it could fire up if he says something. But we'll see. Overall bounce is going to be down here. This could be a price target right here. Other than that, not really seeing anything that I'm too interested in on QQQ. So that's it there. Let's take a look at NQ. Just wherever clear-cut pivot low and pivot highs are, that's what I pay attention to. Let's see, is that demand right there? Yes. Actually, we hit that demand on NQ yesterday. Delete that. Here's our 4 hour demand. Smacked it. It looks like almost to the point we hit it. 4 hour demand. Boom. 15122. 5122.5. Awesome. Yes, way too late for Mara. You definitely do not want to be chasing up there. Watch that 15,000 potential demand over there. Cool. That's pretty much it. Look for a retest of demand. All right, let's take a look at some individual stocks. And then also, if you guys could, make sure to subscribe to my second channel where I do upload daily trade recaps. I moved my SPY and QQQ technical analysis for the week over to that channel. That gets uploaded on Saturday. And then my top stocks to watch for the week are uploaded on Sunday over on that channel. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. Again, it's free 99 to do so. But if you guys want those SPY and QQQ levels, as well as my top stocks to watch for the week, definitely make sure you're subscribed over there. But yeah, that is all for that one. So, tomorrow I was watching for both a day trade and a swing trade. I only got the day trade portion. So, all right, let's get this this watch list rolling. Start with Apple. Just in consolidation. Not really seeing anything I like on Apple. Maybe if it proved to me that this 4 hour squeeze wanted to try to fire up, I'd be interested. But we're gonna have to wait like another 4 hour candle or two. So maybe by the end of the day, we'll get a better understanding. But as of now, not too interested. AMD getting very close to our gap that we're watching. 115.8 is the area. We're trading at 118. $2.30 move to the downside. Maybe. Just put a fat question mark next to that one. AMD. Amazon. Come on, ThinkorSwim. There we go. That 128.40 has been a huge area on Amazon. It hasn't been able to break. Kind of has a... Let's see. I don't know, I want to draw this. We do have some solid support right here. If we were to break below that, maybe I'd be interested. I'll tell you what, though, actually. Rivian is my #1 setup that I want to watch today. If it can clear this high, the 16.1, I'm very interested in the gap fill. Come on, where'd it go? Where'd the thing go that I literally just had right up there? Whatever. But I like this gap fill, 16.1 to 17. Rivian, #1 setup. Good stuff, Frank. Good stuff, good stuff. So yeah, Rivian, very interested there. There it is. There we go. Boeing, looks like it made the retracement yesterday. However, not too interested there. Skip over coin. I mean, I'd be interested up around 60. Or a bounce. Let me see the coin liquidity and the IV. I mean, 60 calls are cheap. So coin could be a possibility. Again, make sure you guys are running up that like button. We got 233 people in here. Not even 100 likes yet. Remember, if you guys want that watch list, you gotta smash the like button. You gotta smash it. Or no watch list. Costco don't care about. Still watching Google. If you guys remember yesterday, I said watch that daily 21 EMA for potential support on Google. We could use that for a bounce. And sure enough, that was the exact bottom yesterday on Google. So congrats if you caught that. But be interested down there. Keep Google on the side today. IWM, beautiful head and shoulders right here. If you guys want to look for that weakness below, feel free. Meta had a very nice day yesterday. I would say if the market were to get strong, I'd like to watch Meta above these highs. So above 285. Meta. Microsoft. Right down to that 50% retracement yesterday. Nice little bounce after. Sitting at it again. I mean, if you want to watch Microsoft, if it holds 336, feel free. And then 332.37. No, my mom is not an elementary school teacher. No. Netflix. Not too interested. Good morning. Nvidia. New overnight highs. Interested above that 440. Can also take a Fibonacci retracement. Go ahead and delete all that. I mean, it's got some ground to make up to break 440, but also have some bounces that we can watch. Nvidia. And then PayPal's moving. QQQ we looked at. Roblox, still want to keep an eye on this. Keeping a very close eye on it. But that's going to be a side watch. Rivian, we looked at that. That's going to be probably my #1 priority today. Shopify, not too interested in. Snow, not too interested in. Tesla, been on a tear. Let's see. I don't think I pivot low. So it's got a little longer to go to get to there. Looks like it actually smacked that. But not interested in that. Honestly, not really interested in Tesla. See if Jadon has a level on Tesla. But let's no, Alexa, turn off. There we go. Let's do process of elimination. I mean, AMD, we can watch it. If it holds this area, we can watch for a break below yesterday's low at 117.7 and then take it back down. So that's a possibility. Rivian definitely going on the list today. If I were to bounce Rivian, what would I do? Yeah, I kind of feel like they want to try to fill that gap. Buenos dias. All right, let me move these individuals to a different chart. That way we can type out Rivian. Rivian. Top priority this week. Main setup I am interested in is a break over 16.10 with strength for the gap fill into 17. As far as a bounce, I mean 15.6 could be an area. 50% retracement there. And those fibs aren't like super clear. But if I were to use one, it'd probably be there to there. But we'll see. That's just the main setup I'm going to watch. Go away. There we go. Alrighty, there's Rivian. Never thought that one would end up on the watch list, and sure enough, here it is. Coin's a contender today. Meta, gonna give it a little more time to see if it can recover and come back up towards those highs. And then we had Nvidia. Again, same thing, give it a little more time. See if it can prove itself to us. Yes, I have. Pretty good book. All right, let's run this poll. Start poll. Did you like the video? Boom. All right. Hold on. Cool. Let's get SPY. Again, as far as rejects, I mean, I'm not really seeing too much that has me interested. Boom. 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 Respectfully, I am trying to make a watch list as well. I can't answer every question. But since you keep asking about Oxy, it is not on the watch list. Therefore, we will not be looking at Oxy. Again, respectfully. SPY. I gotta draw that head and shoulders on there. Shoulder. Head. Potentially another shoulder. SPY. Potential for our head and shoulders. Right below the neckline for puts. Main bounce I am watching is good morning 432.68. Then 430. No good rejects right now. No good rejects on watch. Boom. There's SPY. So the breakdown is going to be roughly around like 435.5. So watch SPY. QQQ. I mean, if you're trading stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, etc., understanding what SPY and QQQ is doing is going to help you a lot. Of course, we had to have a misprint. Little 830 misprint. Yeah, there it is. Respectfully. Was that a misprint or did we have news? There's volume. Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah, today is Wednesday. Let's see. SPY. No, that had to have been a misprint. So yeah, respectfully, we want to make money. So, I mean, that misprint's kind of annoying that happened. But, oh, we're going to pull up TradingView and figure out where that actually went so I can fix the candle. 365.45 is what it went to. Open, high, low, close. 1 second, everybody. We gotta fix this. 365.62. 366.1. Oh, I didn't even remember the number. Hold on. You gotta make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We're getting super close to the like goal. I know you guys got it in you. 365.45. 365.45. What is going on? Close. I mean, it hasn't closed yet. Let's do that. Or not, you know, don't fix it. That's okay. You don't have to. Perfectly fine. All right. Well, that misprint's annoying, but still going to watch this for a move back into yesterday's low. Might just have to use the NQ chart. Ooh. Gotta fix something real quick before my computer blows up. There we go. NQ. Boom. All right, so I'll watch that 4-hour demand. Break below there, then definitely can go lower. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Can't tell. That is on the high, correct? There we go. That's the correct level. There we go. Okay. 4-hour demand. Right. Boom. 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 15,124. Then we are going to use NQ instead of QQQ today. Actually, no. I think we're going to have to use QQQ because there is a bounce on there. Yeah. Whatever. I'll tell everybody about the 4-hour demand. Bro, what is going on? There we go. So this is a 4-hour fib. This was based off the daily fib. Yes. So, like 50 cent ranges between the two, but I'm still going to watch. These we can get rid of. 70.7, 70.7. Okay, 360 to 360.52, 357 up to 357.6. Rejects to be determined. TBA. We need 56 more likes. 240 people in here. QQQ bounces 360.52 to 360. Then 357 to 357. That's far away. Never mind. We're not even going to put that one today. Bounce 360, 52 to 360. No good rejects yet. Okay. I mean, if I were to watch for a reject, it'd be 367.50 to 367.7. That's like the only area I see. We'll be watching today. All right, there's QQQ. We had Rivian, SPY, QQQ. Let's look at the other individuals. AMD, again, potential contender. Coin. Honestly, doesn't look bad. I think Coin might be there. Meta. Gonna take Meta off the list. And then Nvidia. Which doesn't look bad if it can hold structure. Okay. So, I think Coin might be the second individual that I put on today. I do like AMD and Nvidia as well. Just gonna have to give the market a little more time before I decide. So, I guess while we sit here and wait, any questions you guys got? Any stocks you want me to look at? Except for Oxy, because Mr. Impatient over there. Any other stocks? Or just questions in general? What you guys got? Give the market like 5 more minutes. Finalize some levels, and then we'll rock and roll for the day. Let's look at the Fed rate hike futures. We can do that. Fed rate hike futures. This is going to be the telltale of future rate hikes. Right now, 80% chance we get a single in July. And then we pause, stay paused, stay paused. Or actually even end up cutting down on rates. So it's looking like one more, as of now, one more rate hike, single, and then we start slowing down for the remainder of the year. That's just currently how everybody's positioned. And then possibility in December for a cut. Let's see. We took a look at Apple. Wasn't too interested there. It does have a 4-hour squeeze. It'll have to prove itself to me. CRM. Kind of just in consolidation, honestly. Not much going on here. Boom. So just trading in a range. I'd watch it over the next couple weeks, see if it breaks one way. Let's see. Baba, not too interested in that. We looked at Netflix, not interested there. Coca-Cola. I have like 4 or 5 videos on my channel going over the squeeze. Definitely make sure to watch those. And I go over it in the book. So make sure to watch and read on the squeeze. Let's see. Coca-Cola. Honestly, not really seeing much here. Monthly doesn't look bad. If it can hold that monthly 21, then maybe we could get that monthly squeeze fire up and then back into the highs. Yeah, on TradingView, it's just ES1 exclamation point. Mara. I can't believe this thing is at 12. 12.27. I mean, it's pretty much straight. If you want to trade this today, I'm personally not going to put it on my watch list, but if you want to trade it, if 12.46 were to be the high, you can watch it bounce down here. If it cracks 12.46, potentially could come back and test these highs at 12.83. Potentially. But again, not something I'm going to put on my watch list today. I like coin. Yes, this channel is meant for the live streams and longer form content. The second channel is for trade recaps and then the weekend stuff that I post. So top stocks and SPY and QQQ. I wanted to keep this channel a little cleaner and higher quality content. Roblox. That's table max. Again, it's just something that I'm gonna keep on the side. It doesn't look terrible. You can watch it over that trend line if you want. I'm just more interested in the daily gap. So. What else we got? Yes, I like Rivian today. And we need 17 more likes. Can you guys do it? That is the real question. And then, real quick, before we start finalizing the levels, I do want to say that we are doing one. This is the actual final mastermind of the year. The last one was going to be the final one, but then we had a lot of people wanting one more. So this is actually like the final mastermind of 2023. So if you guys do want to learn directly from me how I'm finding all these levels, going about trades, the confluences that I look for, trimming, stop losses, so much more. I teach a lot of it in the mastermind. So if you guys want to learn directly from me and a bunch of other amazing traders, again, in the final Team Bull mastermind, make sure to join the wait list. We start on Monday. So literally, like, what, today's Wednesday, what is that, 5 days, 4 or 5 days is when we start. Applications will go out this weekend, and then we start on Monday. So if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, make sure to apply for the Mastermind. It takes about 2 minutes to do so, and if you're accepted, you'll get an email. So that is the link right there. Boom. So what do we want? I'm thinking coin today. I am thinking coin. I don't know what you guys thinking. $75, we capped above it. Yeah, I mean, I would be interested at a potential bounce down here. If crypto remains strong. Which it currently is. Imagine we get an Ethereum break. That'd be crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking coin is probably my next go-to. Oh, no, it's between two of them. Bro, why does this thing pop up sometimes? Fine, I didn't want you anyway. Boom. Honestly, we're gonna roll with AMD. AMD reject around 119, below 117.7 for puts. They're all crooked, that's why. Plain and simple. Low 117.7 for puts. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Boom. Like that 1 hour 21 EMA for a reject because we do have a nice little squeeze. Boom. Alrighty. That's everything. We can take a look at Riot. I mean, it looks good. I think Riot had a higher time frame squeeze. Can't remember. I thought it did. Guess not. They do a little retracement. Nope, never mind. Definitely did not look like it went that high. Anyways. Volume. If we break a level and we look weak, that's what's going to confirm it. Because we can break below it on light volume, but it doesn't mean it's going to go lower. Gotta watch volume, gotta watch price action. But nothing I'm really seeing here on Riot. Looks like we already broke all the retracements. Oh, besides one, 11.8. So I mean, if you want to watch it, you can watch it over that. It's just not something I'd prefer to trade. But yeah. That is the watch list. Where's my flexible grid? Right there. Cool. So we have QQQ, SPY, AMD, and Rivian. As the stocks for the day, ladies and gentlemen. So real quick before I drop the watch list, two things. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, giving you guys a completely free watch list for the day, plus an insane amount of education. 700 plus free videos on my channel teaching you on how to trade. So if you're not subscribed and you're not joining the live streams in the morning, I don't know what to tell you guys. I find these levels for completely free, show you guys how I find them, and I give them to you at the end of the live stream. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So there's Rivian, top stock to watch for the day. SPY, potential head and shoulders forming. QQQ, AMD. Boom. Alrighty. Yeah. Everything I am watching today. Powell speaks at 10 a.m. EST. We could see some slowness at the open, then some volatility. Keep an open mind. Wait for the right opportunity. And apply risk management. Boom. That is the watch list, ladies and gentlemen. Book number 2 is coming soon. Finally got everything passed through on copyright. Now I just have to get it fully edited, and the cover is being worked on, and then we're ready to rock. Guys, better go run up the reactions in my channel. That's for sure. Anyways, any questions you guys got? Or is everybody good? Nah, nothing on Tesla today. Jadon ripping his shirt off on the Instagram live this morning. Of course, of course. Nothing on Bowen. Nothing on Bowen. We'll get the signed copies out. All right. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day. Let's run it up. And yeah, I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and we'll talk then. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.